if you want a place where it's very reliable and a platform that is reliable for you to invest in your Ghana stock, I mean your local stocks, or if you want to invest in your buy your treasury bills with, and then I recommend. So in case you have an amount and you don't know, you have no idea of whatever you want to do, or maybe you have the amount and then you are interested in investing in I've been using the platform for almost 5 years now. Babu is one of your favorites if you want to invest in US companies and a bundle of companies. That is called the ETF and other African companies, especially in terms of mutual funds and fixed income products around the world. So you're once again welcome back to King Osei Godfrey Official. And now we are here to talk about 5 investment applications or sites that is going to help you on your investment journey. This is 2026 and new year in the new month. And this strategy that I'm going to review is going to be very, very good to your investment journey. Today, I am going to share these 5 tips with you, 5 investment, 5 applications that I use, and then you can apply to help increase your financial journey. So the first application I'd like to talk about is Binance. Okay, so this is Binance. Binance is a platform that deals with crypto. So Binance is a broker where you can buy various crypto into your cryptocurrency account. Now, when you talk about cryptocurrency, most people don't consider cryptocurrency as investment, but cryptocurrency is one of the key important to note in your investment journey. When you come over here, there are different currencies over here. These are the digital currencies and they are made for you to invest with your money. Now, let me talk about one or two of these currency for us to know. So we have SRP, we have USDT. Okay, so let me talk about USDT. USDT, when you check over here, the price is $1. Okay, and then we have the market volume over here and then the market cap. Okay, so let me talk about this with the market cap. The market cap is a total summation of the liquidity in the market. Okay, so we have about 800 184.39 billion. So this is the market cap in the industry of USDT. Now this is what you have to understand, that when people or when you do invest with USDT, your money is stable. Your money is stable, unlike the other coins. When you come over here, we have BTC, we have Ethereum, we have SRP, we have BNB. So when it comes to crypto aspect, you have to know more and learn more about crypto to know the coins which are stable. Okay, to know which stable coins are, or the coins of which of them is stable before you intend to buy or place your currency over there. But when it comes to a coin like USDT, that is one of the most stablest coins ever on cryptocurrency. You can't just buy any coin over here, or you can't just buy any of the cryptocurrency unless you do your own research. But let me tell you that this also comes with risks. It being good to buy for you to gain a higher volume in your amount, higher volume of interest in your savings or on your investment. It also comes with a high risk because you have to double check. Let me show you one thing over here. Recently, Bitcoin was hoping around 80,000 on its price. Now it is 68,000. Okay, 68,000. Just yesterday, it was 70,000. It dropped from 80,000 to 70,000. Now it is 58,000. This tells you that on the crypto market, Bitcoin is one of the unstablest coins. It can drop anytime, it can rise anytime. So when it drops in price, the value of your money also reduces. When it increases in price, the value of your money also increases, giving you what? Giving you what? Profit. So that is how Bitcoin or cryptocurrency platform works. So there are different types of coins that are available on this platform that you have to learn about before you try to invest your money. Note, and I'm repeating this again, it comes with high risks, such as it comes with high profit or high loss. So you have to do your own research before investing. Now the next app or the next platform I'm going to talk about is Dalex Finance or Dalex Swift. This is a platform I've been using for some time now. I've been using this platform for almost 5 years now. And then I do make deposit and I do withdraw. Now you can see over here that my balance left over here is 10 Ghana cedis. So now this is what I want you to understand over here. When you come to the platform like this, you have to log in before you can enter a platform like this. You have to register and then can make any deposit as much as you have the money, beginning from any amount that you prefer. Just simple. Okay, you can make the deposit as much as you want. You have the money, and it's not available in app. It's just available on website and then available on code. So if you want to make investment with Dalex Finance, I think you have to register first, and then before you can have access to the platform. Okay, you have to register before you can have access to the platform. They offer loans, they offer you can also redeem your amount any time of the day that you prefer, and then you are good to go. In case of emergency, you can also redeem the amount of money you prefer. Maybe you need the money for instant something, and then you are stuck, you don't know what to do. You are good to go with that. Okay. Now the next app I think I have to talk about, because before you can sign up, when we talk about it, before you can sign up over here, you need to download this code. Let me see. So before you can invest with Dalex Finance, I recommend that either you come to their platform and then you start typing. Let me show you. Come to your Google page or whatever, and then you type Dalex. Okay, Dalex Swift. Dalex Swift. You type it like this. This is what is gonna pop up over here. So this is what will show, and then you come to the platform like this. Before I just like I said, before you can access the platform, you need to provide the login. So you're a new customer, you take on create account, and then you're going to do with that. Okay, so I think this is what, or you can also dial *721# *721#, and then you register with the platform. I think we have Ace County as their ambassador, and then this is very, very good. Now the next application or investment platform I'm going to talk about is investment with Grow for Me. Now you know recently that Grow for Me is into the agriculture space, of which I've done a video about Grow for Me. You can check it at my YouTube channel, Godfrey Official. You can check it over there, and I've done the YouTube and the full video on Grow for Me, how to invest in Grow for Me, and then how to go about that. You're going to go everything explained in detail. But this is what Grow for Me do. Let me talk a bit about it. They deal with investing in agriculture and other commodities. Now that is their main focus, okay, to help you invest in agriculture. This is what you have to do. So in case you have an amount and you don't know, you have no idea of whatever you want to do, or maybe you have the amount and then you are interested in investing in agriculture, but you don't know which of the agriculture you want to invest in. So you come here and then you click on invest in agriculture or buy your commodity. So you can see a lot of available commodities over here. You can invest in shea butter, you can invest in shea nut, you can invest in cocoa, you can invest in soya bean, you can invest in the equipment that they use for the for the agriculture services. There are a lot of stars over here. There are a lot of stars over here, and then some are made available for you at a good price. You have 400 cities, 950 Ghana cities, 19 Ghana cities. Okay, 600 Ghana cities, 19 Ghana cities, 10 Ghana cities, even 10 Ghana cities is over here. Cocoa per unit, cost per unit. You have 10 Ghana cities over here. You have 95. You have 450 Ghana cities. So with any amount which is less than 10 Ghana cities or 20 Ghana cities, you can get something to invest over here. Don't spend your money. Come here and invest. I think they have added something new over here of it. I've been checked. They have real estate, they have commodity, they have added real estate, they have added finance. Check it out. Just recently that these people have added, and they have innovated their platform. They have added finance. They are bringing equity. They have machinery. You can invest in machinery. The machines and equipment that they use for the industry, for the agriculture. You can invest in that, and then you let your money work for you in agri. This is a simple way, easy method to start investing in agri. Now they have diesel. Okay, this is good. This is good. And then they have stocks also. So this platform is available for you to invest. I recommend you subscribe to the channel and then watch the video I did in my YouTube channel about this Grow for Me. Okay, it's very interesting. Now, this is the next app I'm going to talk about investment with IC Wolf. So, if you don't know IC Wolf, let me talk a bit about IC Wolf. IC Wolf is a platform where you can use to buy your Ghana stocks, okay, your local stocks. If you want a place where it's very reliable and a platform that is reliable for you to invest in your Ghana stocks, your local stocks, or if you want to invest in buy your treasury bills with, and then I recommend IC Wolf for you. Okay, This platform is available on App Store, is available on Play Store, and it's also available on the web. So you can access it anytime, anywhere you are. So investing in stock is is one of the best things I can basically tell you as your friend or as your brother. Okay, I can basically tell you that it comes with a good benefit. It's good to invest in stock. It's good. It's actually good. But when you are investing in the stock, you need the correct platform. You need the right broker. So you need, that's why I do recommend ICO. Now, this is one thing that people do not know about ICO. They are very easy to reach out in terms of, you know, something else, in terms of any emergency. Maybe if you don't understand anything, or in terms of you're facing any problem on the platform, they are very, very easy to reach out. Now, their customer service are available 24/7. Now, these are some of the stocks available. They are also available for mutual funds and fixed income. So if you want to buy mutual funds, if you want to buy invest in fixed income, you can also do start with that. Now this is one of the things. Let me start with start trading with investment. So you know, before you can have access to this platform, you have to create account with them. Okay. So you either can choose individual or you are institution, and then you choose to have your account with them. But I already have my account with them. Good, this is my platform, this is my page. Okay, this is my page of which my dashboard. So I just click my dashboard, and then you can see for here I have two portfolios over here. I have the trade life where I have been buying my stocks, and then I have the IC liquidity funds where I've been doing my other investment. You can add as much as many portfolios that you have, okay, over on this platform. You come to the platform, and then for your own sake, based on whatever you aim for. So you can see over here. So fund towards a new goal, invest towards a children's future or house, a new car, or any other needs. So based on whatever you want, you can also create it over here, and then you start investing on that. And then the more you invest, the more also you have your interest on that. And this platform is very unique. Let me show you one of the uniqueness of this platform. It's something like this. So equities, we have these are some of the securities that I've bought so far. Okay, so some of the securities, some addition of some of my securities. Some of my stocks that I've bought so far, I have assets, I've shares with Access Bank, I have shares with Car Bank, I have shares with MTN, I have shares with G Cash. So this is my transactions so far that I've done. Now let me go to the trade life portfolio for you to understand. This is what I'm going to talk about. And you come to the trade life aspect, that is where you're going to see different commodities of market on different commodities of stocks available. You can invest in anything at least what I said, you can invest in Tracer Ghana or from Ghana. You can also invest in Goyon, Total, Shell, different companies are available here, and then you can start investing with them. All you need is to start investing with them right now. Is there the amount that will be available over here? The data is not fetching. Let me refresh it. All you need is the amount for you to be willing and available to start investing with them. So, so let me see how it goes. So guys, please, ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is what I am pleading to subscribe for me to help me to let's move on to this. We are learning a lot, and then we have a lot to cover. So just follow or subscribe to the channel, like this video for me, and I'll be very, very grateful. Very grateful for your help. I'm very grateful for your recommendation. I'll be very grateful. So since this platform is not coming, I think we have to move on to the next application that you have to talk about. Then the last thing I'm going to talk about is bamboo. So bamboo. Now this is what I want to talk about. Bamboo. Invest with bamboo. Invest with bamboo. Now I would leave the description below for you, and then I'll post the links to various platforms over there. So to various platforms, if you want to invest in cryptocurrencies on Binance with Binance, and I'll leave the link over there. I'll leave. If you want to invest with Go for me, I'll leave the link. And then you watch a video on how to invest with Go for me, and also Dalex Finance, how to invest with Dalex Finance, okay? And then the link to Dalex Finance application. Okay, and then also if you want to invest with IC Wolf, I'll leave the link below at the description. And then own way. Bamboo, I'll leave it over there at the description or for you to know um track it very easy and then you are good to go. So start investing with bamboo. Bamboo is one of your favorites if you want to invest in US companies and a bundle of companies. That is called the ETF and other African companies, especially in terms of mutual funds and fixed income products around the world. You can start with bamboo. Okay. So you learn from the basics, they give you the basic knowledge, understanding of whatever you want to do on the platform. You learn with them before you start investing. If you are new to investing stars, they will help give you the guidelines and then how to start investing with them. And your money is safe with them. Trust them with your money. It is safe. Okay. They are committed to protect your account with high standard of security available. Just imagine. So a lot of products, a lot of services are available. So you have the stock, you have the ETF, it is the exchange traded fund, you have the fixed return, and then for others for institutions. Okay, so you can come here. Let's talk about stocks more. Let's learn something about stocks more. So you start investing in stocks. Okay, start investing. So I'd like you to know something about stocks, but before, I think before we get started with the stock, you have to log in, just like you have to know how to create accounts, you have to log in with them before you can have access to this kind of products in your platform to invest. Now, if you want to invest in Nvidia, Tesla, Google, Meta, Facebook, and and those kind of companies, this is what that one platform that I do recommend for you, and it's very unique nature. So my name is Kinasoga. Just like I said, I just came here to show you how you invest